In this video I'm going to solve some questions about the complex numbers, Olympiad questions, and we called the blue book because of the cover. From the blue book there are some questions, and this is the 483rd question of it, and we are going to I'm going to record these videos one by one. I'm going to solve some of the questions here. And the first question is 1 plus I root 3 to the power over 2 to the power of 60 it's going to be. It's obvious that it's not possible to find 60th power of it, so I'm going to find some simple numbers then I'm going to get the power of it. The method for this one, if we name this one is x, I'm going to find x square, maybe x cube, or then if x square or x cube is in numbers, then it's easy to get the 60th power of it. That's why let's say x is equal to, firstly, x is equal to 1 plus I root 3 over 2, then x square, it's going to be equal to 1 plus I root 3 over 2 to the power of 2 it's going to be. If you want to find the square of this expression, it's going to be equal to a plus b square. You know that it's equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square it's going to be. So this is equal to 1 square plus 2 times 1 times I root 3 plus root 3I square, and down denominator it's going to be 2 square, because this power it should be given to numerator and denominator one by one. Then it's going to be equal to 1 plus 2 root 3I, and root 3 is equal to root 3 square is equal to 3. I to the power of I squared, it's going to be equal to minus 1. I squared it's going to be, then we are going to say this is equal to minus 1. Here we are going to say that I squared is equal to minus 1. So the expression it's going to be like this, all over 4. Sorry, I forgot to write that one. Then 1 plus 2 root 3 I minus 3 over 4. Then it's going to be equal to minus 2 plus 2 root 3I over 4, which is equal to, here it's going to be minus, I can get 2 parentheses, 2 times 1 minus 1 plus root 3I over 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. And if you simplify, it's going to be equal to minus 1 plus root 3I over 2 it's going to be. This is x square. So x square is not simple number. I'm going to try x cube. What is x cube? If I find x cube is equal to x cube, it's going to be equal to 1, it's equal to x squared times x, which is equal to minus 1 plus root 3I over 2 times 1 plus root 3I over 2. This is minus, I can say like this, root 3I minus 1 all over 2 times root 3I plus 1 over 2, which is equal to a minus b times a plus b, because this expression it should be written in parentheses, a minus b times a plus b, it's equal to a squared plus a squared minus b squared. So it's equal to root 3I square minus 1 square all over 4. It's going to be root 3I squared. I found here root 3I squared, I found it's equal to minus 3. That's why directly I'm going to write minus 3 here. Here it was, as you see, 3I squared, then minus 3 we found. That's why I'm writing here directly minus 3 minus 1 over 4. Then it's going to be equal to minus 4 over 4, which is equal to minus 1. So x cube is equal to minus 1. This is the number that I want to get, because it's easy to write x to the power of 60 in terms of this is x to the power of 60 times. Now when I write this one again here, this becomes like this: x to the power of 60 plus x to the power of 30, which is equal to, in terms of 3, if I write 60, it's going to be equal to x to the power of 3 to the power of x to the power of 3 to the power of 20 plus this is x to the power of 3 to the power of 10. It's going to be, then it's equal to x to the power of 3 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 20 plus minus 1 to the power of 10. It's going to be, which is equal to minus 1 to the power of 20 is equal to 1 plus minus 1 to the power of here it's equal to 10, it's equal to 1 also. So the result is going to be equal to 2. So the solution of this question is going to be equal to 2.